So guys, if your Vizio TV is plugged in but not turning on, I'm going to show you how to fix it. So what you want to do first is unplug it. So then you're going to feel underneath port power. So for me the power is right here. Hold that button for 1 minute. Once it's been a minute, let go. So now for the plug. Now if you don't have any other options, you can plug into the surge protector. The ideal thing though is to plug it into the wall. Give it a minute. So it may turn on, but if not, press the button at the bottom. Okay guys, thanks for watching.